Saturday morning, y'all. I made us breakfast this morning. Just a quick breakfast. Me and Allie eating. Kids already had their food, but I'm checking in. Welcome to See Paris World. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get this vlog started. Hey, Aliana'S. I can't see you. It's blurry. I was trying to show y'all Allie hair, but there we go. She got some puff puffs. I got some Afro puffs. What's going on with my camera? Let's see. I need a little scrubby. Okay. There we go. That's a little better. Say, hey, you see on your hair? Yeah. But yeah, I'll show y'all in a minute. Y'all, it's a bird nest we get outside our house. I'm trying to see what's in there. The bird usually come. That's my neighbor's son. Y'all know that. I'll be back. I want to show y'all that. So I'm outside, you guys. Allie's still asleep. I ended up getting some medicine. So she may be up for a little minute. I get a little sinus medicine and a little cold medicine, very, very little. I know what I'm doing, so don't panic. I do have training in the area a little bit. I know what I'm doing. So, but anyway, yeah, that's what it says. Sitting outside. Heather and Derek are supposed to come over here. She want to have a drink and have a talk. You know how it be sometime later. You just need to vent. So I had the little something I already made. It's right there, the bird flying. And I just added a little more stuff to it. I added a little bit more liquor to it because she need it right about now. So we're gonna chill out here. Hopefully it don't start raining no time soon. We'll just enjoy this breeze because it feels good. The birds was having their little beaks after they put them back in. But, so I'm hydrating right now first before I start drinking. But just chilling. So I'm gonna enjoy this breeze in a little time. So I'll see y'all later. Oh, I am making dinner, you guys. Happy Sunday. Some tilapia in here in the air fryer. Just gonna give it a good flip again. I made some macaroni for them, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm making for myself in just a second. Ooh, the only thing I don't like, it falls apart, but I don't mind my fish being tore up a little bit. I really should be using a spatula, but I just grabbed what I have closest. Already out. So, tell me it's outside. Getting the backyard together a little bit. we will be having a barbecue for Allie's birthday. We're gonna have it the weekend before her birthday. Her birthday is on a Tuesday. So we're gonna have like a barbecue, backyard barbecue Saturday, just a small one, because she don't really like people right now. So I don't want her to be like screaming all day. We'll do that. Now look at this fish, it's a mess. But it's not too bad. Let me use my hand. After that, it's basically done, as y'all can see. But it's in a minute or something. I like my stuff a little crispy. Huh? Oh, I'm gonna throw a couple of these in there for Josiah. Just the macaroni, box macaroni. Yeah. And then I had a few of my Jonah crab or stone crab left. And season it up. Let me cut it up now. I was waiting for the fish, or not the fish, the shrimp. I have some medium shrimp here. No, some extra large shrimp that I'm gonna have let the dump in there once it's almost done. Put these in at the end, of course, but they were still on farm. They should be fine now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Haven't done much today. Pretty been lounging, dealing with Miss Allie, and did a load of laundry and just hung it up in the house since the dryer's out. I'm gonna end up going back another day, but yeah, we had those hot dogs not too long ago because I was hungry. I didn't know a hot dog. So I'll just get it just like with his food. His macaroni and stuff. It's autumn. But yeah, I haven't been done much today. I am about to get this going. Let it bubble up a little bit. And my shrimp's gonna be real quick. Bless you. I'm gonna also put some crescent rolls in the oven. Because Tim wants some kind of bread. And we are out of bread. I just used less of it. So we'll be going to the store tomorrow to pick up a few things. I have to order Allie's birthday cake for her party. Party's not really a party, but whatever. And on her birthday, I'll probably just get her like a cupcake or some cupcakes so we can sing happy birthday. But I'll be back, y'all. I'm just rambling at this point. That's the fish, y'all. I didn't make the fish dish. Josiah said he's going to eat some fish, and I'm just getting the rest of those hot dogs that was left from earlier with macaroni. Here is the sea shrimp and crab. I am going to make me some of this minute rice to go along with that. And of course y'all see the macaroni. Pull out these biscuits. These crescent rolls. And that is dinner. I'm eating right at the pan, y'all. Yeah, so I'll see y'all probably later on or tomorrow. Looking pretty. This one is. Some of them dying. Up there. Up there. And oh, he's so cute. Yeah, I was just starting trying to work on this rose bush. I've been watering it and stuff. Happy Monday, by the way. But they so pretty. This one dying. It's gonna rain today, so hopefully they'll come back to life. Quick Save-A-Lot run. We needed some creamer. Well, Tim needed some cream. I still have some left, but I don't have any iced coffee. That's what I should have told you to get me. Dang it. I don't need none. Some seasoning salt. I may do a meal smoothie today, y'all. I have some. These eggs with almost $3, $2.95, y'all. Eggs have went up. Jeez. Loaf of bread, and then I got him to get us another green tea, because like I said, I have not had this in a while now. We ran through them. Me and Kieran, I think, drunk the most of them. Pretty much all of them. Yeah. So we got some more. And this stuff was like $15, a little bit under $15 for this 5 items. Lunchtime. There was leftover fish from last night and some more minute rice, y'all. Just showing my face for today. I haven't shown my face. Like I said, I just get out the shower. slick this hair back a little bit. I ain't putting no gel, just put some edge control and stuff in it. Because I'm going to slick it up later, either today or tomorrow, and put my other ponytail back in and put it up a little higher this time. So I just want to put some oil in my hair and stuff. Allie acting like she's still sleeping. Oh, well, like she's sleeping again. So I may try to get her some listen at the ball and see what she's gonna do. It's right at 2 o'clock, I think. I tried to make her a design because I seen this hack where you can print off a t-shirt, like screen on with iron on a t-shirt, but he just printed it directly off of Google. Now I got some images and I tried to put it together like a look for her birthday, and so this is what I came up with. So that's that. It said Aliana is wonderful, and I found a one to put right there, and I added that butterfly. And this was all one image. So it was like 1, 2, 3 images into those 2 texts. So, but the only problem is my printer is so crazy that I can only print from my phone. So I was trying to send it over to my email, but for some reason the email is not letting me sign in on the computer to send it. This is doing too much. I was trying to Bluetooth it, so I'm trying to figure out a way to send this image to my phone so that I can print it off and see how it's going to come out. So I only got one shot. This is my ink is low, so I only got one shot to print this thing off. So it looks good, but I just need to get it printed off. So I'm gonna sit here and try to get her taken care of, and then I'll probably get back a little later on, y'all. Okay, quick Walmart pickup for some things for Alice's birthday party. Some barbecue sauce, and I got the Great Value honey, 2 of those. I got 2 of the original beans and 1 brown sugar hickory. 2 8-packs of ground beef patties for burgers. Pack of smoked sausage, cheddar sausage, smoked sausage, and 2 packs of hot dogs. Got Rice Krispies and marshmallows for some of the treats that I'm making. Just everything. Say I'm at the doctor. Look at her. Just won't be still. So there, I'm about to fill that out. Just want to check in for today. I got my mom's shirt, my aunt gave me. We just wait on the doctor. Say bye bye. Say we'll see y'all later. See you later. Yeah.
the clock back yet.
Premiumbabe.com.
The fire's hot, but I'm not sure if it's safe.
Hey, mama. Hey. Yeah, you got some leaves? So I'm exploring, you guys. Say happy Thursday. I'm outside. Y'all, sad update about the birds. The mama ended up disappearing, I think, a couple days ago. And they hadn't ate. They was just crying and they sticking their heads up and flapping their wings, y'all. And I have not seen them come out at all today, so I think they may have passed. I don't want to quite touch the nest. I think I'm gonna let it sit there for a while just to make sure, maybe a couple days, and then have Tim check. But I hope they're not. Look at her. Just letting Allie play for a minute outside, and I'm gonna take her in and wash her up and stuff. You cold? Now your wife. I see you, Terry. You try to sit back there. Hey, Cinco, Cinco, Cinco. Cinco, Cinco, Cinco. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, hey. Yes. Hey. Birthday girl.
Oh my God. What's wrong with this kid's face?
Y'all watching.
Oh, wow.
Go ahead, go ahead, Sydney. About 12 something. Run, two, ready, go. My boy's through. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Allie. Happy birthday to you. All right, yeah.
Walked up to me.
Allie, you want to be a present? Allie, look. Allie. Let me get it for you. Get it. Can't get it. Ooh. Ooh. That's your baby guy. All right. I think so. Look. We got some more. Oh, this surprise really got a little pom-pom on the bag. You open that? Huh? What you want to say? Open it. What you got in there? Ooh! What you got? Allie, what the baby got? Uh-oh. You got a card, Abby? Look. That's the other gift. You get it. Let's see that one. Look, Allie. You like that? Allie, what you got? Yeah, on the side. It's a power button. The little earpiece. Some corn.
Mom, this a hush.
I think so. Allie, what you get, mamas?